Good morning students. Today video is going to the applications of heat of combustion. Already first one discussed calculations of heat of formation. Okay, the next one discussed the calculations of calorific value of food and fuels. Okay, the calorific value food and fuels. There are 6 types of calorific value food and fuels. The first one heat of solution, and second one heat of neutralization, and third one molar heat of fusion, and fourth one molar heat of vaporization, and fifth one molar heat of sublimation, and sixth one heat of transition. Okay, the first one discuss heat of solutions. This next the what are the SI unit of calorific value? Joule per kilogram. This is the value. The SI unit of calorific value is joule per kilogram. It is usually expressed in calorie per gram. Okay, the first one discuss the heat of solution. Okay, the first one discuss the heat of solution. The heat of solution usually observed when a substance is dissolved in a solvent. So the heat of solution is defined the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a substance is dissolved in a specified quantity of solvent at a given temperature. It's called heat of solution. Okay, the first one, the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a substance is dissolved in a specified quantity of solvent at a given temperature is called heat of solution. Okay, the next one discuss the heat of neutralization. The heat of neutralization, the change in enthalpy when 1 gram equivalent of an acid is completely neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of a base, or vice versa in dilute solutions, is called heat of neutralization. The change in enthalpy when 1 gram equivalent of an acid is completely neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of base in dilute solution. Okay, for example, the first one, the hydrochloric acid, the reaction to sodium hydroxide. So the sodium hydroxide, they added the chlorine, so sodium chloride, so the OH and H, so H2O molecules. This is the H2O water molecules is the neutralized. Okay, the pH value 1 to 14. So below 7 acid and above 7 base. Okay, the 7 is neutral. Okay, this is the neutral value. Del H is equal to minus 57.32 kilojoule. Okay, the next the discuss the H plus ions, OH minus ions, the reaction to water molecules. The same values minus 57.32 kilojoule. Okay, the heat of neutralization, this is the one. The heat of neutralization of strong acid and strong base is around the minus 57.32 kilojoule, irrespective of nature of acid or base used with evidence from the more than example. Okay, this is the more than examples. Acid base more than example. This is the strong acid. This is the strong acid and strong base. Okay, the hydrochloric acid, the reactant to potassium hydroxide. So the chlorine, the reactant to potassium, so potassium chloride. So the OH, the reaction to hydrogen. So the water molecules. So the water molecules is the neutralized. So del H is equal to minus 57.32 kilojoule. Okay, the another one example, nitric acid added to potassium hydroxide. So the potassium nitrate plus added the H2O molecules. So the del H is equal to minus 57.32 kilojoule. Okay, the next one discuss the sulfuric acid added the potassium hydroxide. Okay, so the sulfuric acid potassium hydroxide reaction. So K2SO4. So 2 molecules are present. So K2SO4. The H2O 2 molecules of water molecules present. Okay, so The reason for this can be explained on the basis of Arrhenius' theory of acid and bases, which is state that strong acid and strong bases completely ionize in aqueous solution. So to produce H plus ions and OH minus ions, this is the H plus ions and OH minus ions. So the ions respectively, therefore the all above mentioned reactions, the neutralization, the reactions. So H plus ions and OH minus ions, the reaction to H2O molecules. Okay, the neutralization value minus 57.32 kilojoule. Okay, the next discuss molar heat fusion. Then next discuss molar heat fusion. The molar heat fusion, the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of solid substance is converted into liquid state. Okay, the one change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a solid substance is converted into the liquid state. This is called melting point. This is the molar heat of fusion. Okay, for example, ice cube converted liquid stage, water. So the ice cube, the 0 degree Celsius, Kelvin value 273 Kelvin. Okay, so the H2O molecule solid stage they converted to liquid stage. The del H fusion is value is plus 5.98 kilojoule. This is the molar heat of fusions. The defined molar heat of fusion, the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a solid substance is converted into the liquid. Solid substance is converted into the liquid state. This is the melting point. Solid stage melted the liquid state. So melting point. So for example, ice cube converted to liquid, water molecules. So H2O solid stage and then H2O liquid stage. This is the solid stage, they converted the liquid stage. Okay, so the del H fusion's value plus 5.98 kg. Okay, the next one discuss molar heat of vaporization. The molar heat of vaporization, the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of liquid is converted into vapor. The liquid is converted into vapor state. This is the vaporization. Heat of molar vaporization. Okay, molar heat of vaporization. This is the 1 mole of liquid is converted into vapor state. It is boiling point. Okay, so the above 100 degrees Celsius, the heater produce the evaporate. Okay, evaporate the water. So for example, the liquid stage they converted to the evaporation. So 100 degrees Celsius, the Kelvin value 373 Kelvin. So the del H evaporations plus 40.626 kilojoule. Okay, this is the molar heat of vaporization. Okay, the H2O liquid stage they converted the vaporization. Okay, the next discuss heat of sublimation. The next discuss heat of sublimation. The heat of sublimation, the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a solid directly converted into the vapor. Okay, the solid directly converted to the vaporization is called sublimation temperature. Okay, this is the sublimation temperature. The first one, the molar heat of fusion. The solid stage they converted to liquid stage. This is the melting point. Okay, then second one, the molar heat of vaporization. This is liquid stage converted to vaporization. This is the boiling point. Okay, the next third one discuss the molar heat of sublimation. The solid stage directly converted the liquid stage, vaporization. This is called sublimation point. Okay, this is the sublimation temperature. Okay, for example, sublimation temperature, the I2 iodine solid stage, the reaction to iodine vaporization. Okay, I2 solid stage I to vaporization. The 373 Kelvin, the solid state, the aberrations of 373 Kelvin. Okay, so the del H sublimation's value 62.42 kilojoule. For another examples, the solid carbon dioxide to gas atmosphere pressure is very low temperature. Okay, this is the molar heat of sublimation. Okay, the next one discuss the heat of transition. The heat of transition. The change in enthalpy when one mole of an element change from one of its allotropic from another. For example, the transition of diamond into graphite. This is the example. The diamond to graphite. Okay, this is the del H transition's value. Okay, the another example, the white phosphorus converted to red phosphorus. This is the another one example. Okay, the del H value minus 4.30. Okay, P is equal to P white phosphorus. P means phosphorus, white phosphorus converted to red phosphorus. The del H trans value, the heat transition value minus 4.301 kilojoule. Okay, thank you student.